YouTube friends, we are from my kitchen. Today I am cooking a stroganoff beef. The ingredients I need for this is ground beef, chicken broth, water, coke, salt, pepper, garlic powder, cheese, and Tabasco. Hola, ¿qué tal amigos de YouTube? Estamos desde mi cocina. La tarde de hoy voy a hacer una hamburger stroganoff. Hello YouTube friends, we are from my kitchen. So right now I add a little bit more of soda, and this has to be like totally soft, so I'm gonna wait like 15 more minutes until this gets all the flavor out of the soda, and until this those thickens up. I'm also gonna make some noodles to add to it. Okay, YouTube friends, I have already finished. I have here my ground beef that it has been cooked in the soda, in the coke. And here I have my sauce. This sauce was made with the chicken broth, with the ground beef broth, with salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, and 3 spoons of flour. Right now, what I'm going to do to end up with the dish is slice some cheese and add to the sauce, and then I'm going to add everything else. Okay, YouTube friends, so right now I have my sauce. I am melting the cheese and the ground beef. So the last step I'm going to do is turn. Okay, as you can see, I have here my ground beef with the sauce and the cheese. So I'm gonna wait 5 minutes until the cheese melts, and this is gonna be delicious. So I'm gonna add about 4 spoons of dry milk. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 spoons of dry milk. Okay, YouTube friends, so I finished preparing my dinner. My dinner for today to receive the new year is stroganoff beef with spaghetti, and also juice, strawberry juice. I really wish you the best for this new year, and I send you my big hugs. Have a year full of blessings and full of joy, full of money, full of love, full of blessings, full of your family, and send you a big hug.